Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome my dear students. Today, God willing, we will take the third test in our course for this year, God willing. The first questions in our test today, choose the correct answer A, B, C or D. Number 1. If she works hard, she pays the test. We have here 4 choices. Would pass, passes, will pass, passing. Yes. What is the right answer here? Look again to the sentence. If she works hard, she pays the test. We have here the first conditional case. We have if in the beginning. As I told you, if in the first conditional case to join 2 sentences. The first sentence we call it, if clause in present simple. The second sentence we call it time clause. Must be will plus infinitive. So the right answer here will pass. The right answer for the first equations will pass. Okay? Number 2. My father told me that his best help me with my homework. Well, we have also 4 choices. Will, can, have, would. Look again to the sentence. My father told me that. This sentence is in reported speech. As I told you, in reported speech, the tense of the verb must be in the past. Okay, so which one of these choices in the past? Will, can, have, would? Yes, the right answer here, would. Excellent, it is the right answer. So the correct choice here, would. My father told me that he would help me with my homework. Sentence number 3. Ahmed finally got space his cold. Now he feels great. We have here 4 choices, prepositions: over, off, down, up. What is the correct preposition which completes this sentence? Ahmed finally got space his cold. Got his cold, take the preposition over. So the right answer here, got over his cold. He recovered from his cold. He became better. Yes. Sentence number 4. I taught space how to swim. We have here 4 choices also. Himself, yourself, myself, herself. All these choices are reflexive pronoun. Which one is correct? Yes, look with me to the subject pronoun I. We have here subject pronoun I. What is the reflexive pronoun from the subject pronoun I? Yes, myself. So the right answer here, myself. Okay? I taught myself how to swim. Sentence number 5. It is space terrible day that I don't want to remember. It is what or how or so or such. As I told you, how and so are followed by adjectives or an adverb. Okay, only without noun. We have here a terrible day. So we have indefinite article plus adjectives plus noun. So the right answer here, such a. It is the right answer. Okay. Sentence number 6. Hi Ali, where are you? I have been space you since 5 o'clock. We have 4 choices. Call, calling, called, calls. What is the right answer here? I have been. Yes, look with me to this formation of the sentence. I have been. It is the present perfect progressive, which is formed from subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ing. So the right answer here, I have been calling. I have been calling you since 5 o'clock. Sentence number 7. I called Ali many times, but he's best to talk to me. But he asked or accept or said or refused. Here we have the training word but. as I told you, but join two opposite sentences. So, which word which refer to an opposite meaning? Ask, accept, said, refused. Yes, the word refused. I called Ali many times, but he refused to talk to me. Sentence number 8. This beach is very popular with families and it's perfect for a Saturday outing, match, brochure, revision. Yes, the right answer here, outing. It is the right answer for this sentence. Yes, sentence number 9. Space a wonderful flat. Is it very expensive? Yes, when, what, how, so. What a wonderful flat. Yes, it is the right answer here. What a wonderful flat. Is it very expensive? Number 10. Mona left space. Yes. From this form, we call it, okay, it is a question tag. What is the formation of question tag? Helping verb or model verb plus subject pronoun. Mona left. Did she? Doesn't she? Didn't she? Hasn't she? Yes, we have here a verb, a main verb in past simple. Okay, so as I told you, if we have a main verb in past simple, we use didn't plus subject pronoun in the question tag. So the right answer here, didn't she? Didn't she? Yes. Let's go to the next page of this test today. Read the following passage, then answer the questions below. We have here a text or a passage which speaks about Majid Ahmed Abdullah. Majid Ahmed Abdullah Muhammad has had a passion for football since he was a child. He was born in El Baghdadiya in Jeddah and became one of the greatest players ever to come from Asia. It was obvious from an early age that Majid was a very talented football player. He spent his entire career playing for Al Nassr in Riyadh, where he scored nearly 200 goals. Moreover, from 1976 to 1998, he helped his team win 4 League championships, 4 Saudi Cups, 2 Gulf Cups, and the Asian Winners' Cup. His success was not limited to Al Nassr. Majid played 140 games for Saudi Arabia's national team and also served as captain of the team. He scored lots of goals. He earned global recognition late in his career when Saudi Arabia qualified for the first time for the World Cup in 1994 in the USA. Majid Abdullah retired in 1998, but he has continued to be involved in football, working as sports commentator. Yes. Answer the following questions. Where was Majid Abdullah born? Yes. Look with me. He was born in El Baghdadiya in Jeddah. This is the right answer for number 1. Okay. He was born in El Baghdadiya in Jeddah. Okay. Number 2. Did Majid Abdullah play for the Saudi national team? Yes, he played for the Saudi national team. So the right answer here, yes, he did. Yes, he did. Number 3. Choose the right answer. Majid Abdullah scored nearly space goals for Al Nassr. Yes, he scored nearly 20 or 200 or 2000 or 22. Yes, 200 goals. It is the right answer for this questions. Number 2. Majid Abdullah retired in 1998, but he continued involved in football, working as a sports trainer, a sports instructor, a sports commentator, a sports fan. Yes, he works as a sports commentator. So the right answer C, sports commentator. The opposite of the word early in line 3 is later, lately, latest. Yes, the opposite of the word early is late. Okay. Number 4. The meaning of the word entire in line 4 means word entire means part, all, most, much. Yes, it means whole. The word entire means whole. Here, write if the sentences are true or false. Majid Abdullah was very talented football player. True or false? True. Yes. Majid Abdullah spent his entire career playing for Al Hilal in Riyadh. False. Why? That's because he played for Al Nasr. Majid Abdullah played about 40 games for Saudi Arabia's national team. False. Why? That is because, look with me, he played 140 games for Saudi Arabia's national team, not 40 team. Finally, Saudi Arabia qualified for the first time in the World Cup in 1998. False. Why? Just because it was qualified for the first time for the World Cup in 1994. So this false answer. Now we have finished our test. See you, God willing, in the next test. Goodbye.